Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Divya, Consultant Infectious Diseases at Apollo Hospital, Seshadripuram. The ongoing COVID pandemic, as we see, has changed the way we look at life. As healthcare providers, we have to ensure that there is continued medical care during this crisis with augmented healthy safety measures. Today, I am going to speak about these measures briefly, how we have implemented in our hospital to make it safe for you. There is a screening area which is located at the entrance of the hospital. Here, all the patients and the visitors to the hospital are screened using detailed medical history, their temperature and oxygen saturations checked. Our doctor at the screening area then directs suspicious patients towards the fever clinic, which is in a separate building. The rest of the patients who are screened will be marked safe, allowed inside the main hospital building to avail their services. Our OPDs are well ventilated and we follow all social distancing norms. The patient and the attenders are instructed to wear masks while inside the hospital. Our staffs are equipped with appropriate personal protective equipments while handling patients. All the surfaces which are used by the patients are sanitized after each use. Coming to our inpatient services, we are a COVID-ready hospital, which means in case any patient turns positive, we will care for them in separate isolation wards or ICUs, which is completely cordoned off from the rest of the hospital. Similar safety measures are also followed in other various parts of the hospital, such as dialysis, emergency room, operation theatres, etc. We at Apollo Hospital take the safety of our patient and staff very seriously. This being a highly communicable infection, we have implemented measures to make sure there is no transmission amongst each other. All our healthcare professionals undergo daily temperature checks and are screened actively for symptoms. All of them are provided with appropriate PPEs for the care of our patients. Rigid infection control protocols are followed. Continuous training and auditing of these measures are being done diligently. Now, this is hardly the end of the story. After we implementing so many measures, it should not go in vain if you cannot follow few safety precautions when you enter the hospital. First of all, avail our video consultation portals to avoid any contact with the hospital and the risks associated with it. In case you have to still come to the hospital, we need you to follow simple measures such as sanitizing your hands frequently, using alcohol-based hand drops. Follow good respiratory hygiene, that is, covering your mouth and nose with your bent elbow or a tissue when you sneeze or cough. Wearing mask inside the hospital at all times. Ensure that your mask snugly fits your nose and mouth. Now, frequent and unnecessary lowering or removal of your mask for trivial tasks such as talking completely defeats the purpose of wearing them. Also, remember not to touch the outside of your mask as it is considered infectious once you have worn it. Last but not the least, if you do have fever, cough, difficulty breathing or any symptoms, disclose it to us so that we can help you in the right direction. This takes two hands to clap. Let's join forces together to fight this battle successfully. Thank you.